How to create own filter on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create own filter on Snapchat. In order to create own filter on Snapchat, you'll need to create an account. If you don't have one, you need to go and create your own account or a page and select filter. Then you can upload your design and select the date and time you want the filter to be available. However, this particular feature is only available in certain part of the world. So you need to go ahead and open up a browser and then type in create.snapchat.com, and then you'll be able to see this option as create your own filter and lenses. Just go ahead and tap on the link, and it's going to direct you to this page where you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So basically, I'm not able to do it because the following link does not work or the following feature is not available in my country. But if you have so, then you'll be able to see the pages, or you'll be taken to the page where you can go ahead and create your own filter. So that's how you can create your own filter on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.